Hi, welcome to this video. Finally, we're now about to customize our very own web shop using Moo Beauty template. Just a quick recap. Moocommerce aims to target SMEs and newbie entrepreneurs who wish to do the web shop alone without professional help. And in the previous video, I got to try firsthand their pre-made template, and I started adding logos and changing the colors. And on this video, we will finally customize everything such as logos, colors, header, banners, buttons, and products. We're gonna use the same project as I've used before when I availed the 14-day free trial. And if you haven't signed up yet, click the video here for the step-by-step tutorial on how you can sign up and try your own pre-selected template. So this is my brand called Sunkissed Mink, which is a skincare makeup. And this is what the original template looks like. Here I do have my branding guide, and I have all my materials ready for my header, banner, and product photos. Tip number 1. Making a website is like cooking. You have to prepare all your ingredients so it's easy for you to cook it. So things to prepare. First, you need a branding guide. And also you need an outline plan or layout of your UX design. And also you need a header, banner, product photos, headline, copy, product description, product tags, and business contacts and your information. And if I miss out something, comment down below. Now let's go to the home page. Click Page, All Pages, and look for Home, then click Edit. Take note that originally, Moocommerce is from Norway, and if you're not a native speaker, you can always opt for a Google Translate in your Google browser. Now let's add photos to my header. Just click this icon and then upload. There you go. You can always pre-upload all your files in the gallery so you won't have to wait, but in my case, I'll upload it from here. And for the sizing guide, you may opt to copy the canvas size of the pre-uploaded photos in the template. Now let me upload all the photos I have here for my homepage. Just continue uploading. Make sure that you have all your materials ready. So if ever you're wondering, where did I edit all the banners? I edited it on Canva. You may try Canva for free. And here, let me add some taglines. Alright. Don't worry about the typography, you can customize it later. We're almost done customizing our homepage. Now let's take a look at the pre-uploaded products and customize them. Go to Products, All Products, and then select the product that you want to edit. First, I'm going to replace all the photos for my products. So I have here all the photos, and then let me select it. And then also don't forget to rename the products. So I'm going to rename my products here. All right. And then, of course, don't forget to edit the product description. So have it ready. And then the product tags and also the categories. Make sure everything is all set before you publish it. Do it to all the products there. All the pre-uploaded products. And if you don't want to edit it, you can also delete the existing products and then replace it with a new one. To get more familiar with this, check out our videos about adding products to your web shop. Now let's move on to your branding. Upload your logos together with your favicon. So I've decided to change my logos. So I think that my logos have to be changed. So there you go. This is my favicon. And then the logos, so you have to crop your logos. So actually my logos has a white background, but if you're opting to remove the background of your logos, then you have to save it in PNG without the background. Let me change the background of my logos. Well, this is where you can customize the placement of your logos and sizes. There's also an option to add the tagline and put it anywhere around your logo. Under typography, you may customize your tags and use Google Font. Another tip, if you avail the premium plan, you may use Google Font and Local Font. Now let's explore the WooCommerce tab. You may change the color of your shopping bag icon and as well as the design. So as you can see here, when you hover it, it changes the color from black to yellow. And now let's try the buttons. I'll just have to explore what suits me here. Basically, you can customize the color when you hover the buttons. Now let's see what it would look like when they check out the product. So for example, someone added the products on their cart. So this is it, and then proceed to check out. And here you can customize the form, whether the information is optional or not. You may explore all the tabs to see more options, but basically these are all important highlights that you should know when you're about to customize your web shop. Now let's take a final look at my web shop. Generally, the colors it really suits my brand, and I really love how I manage everything on this. So as you can see, it's more on the yellow, orange vibes. It's very summer, just like Sunkissed Smink. It's about a summer-inspired makeup, and also skincare and very organic. So that's what it looks like. You can see all the colors and effects that we customize. It works perfectly smooth. Now let's try to add some products to our cart and check out the product. Alright, so add the cart and then check out. Remember that it is always necessary to run some tests before you publish everything. So if everything is all set, then you can go back to your home page. I know there is so much to customize on a web shop, but let's take it easy and plan it perfectly. You don't have to rush everything. At first, it will not be as perfect and flawless as it is, but you can always improve it. What is important is that you follow the basic guidelines in designing your web shop, especially the basic ones like colors, typography, header, and the details of your product. Well, we will tackle that more in this channel, so make sure you click like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and advice. And if you're up to enhance your UX design skills, you may check our course training in Coursera and Academia, link in the description below. For native Norwegian and Swedish speakers, we also have videos available for you. Check out this playlist. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys around. Bye!